G'day everyone, and thanks for joining me on another adventure with Bernie. So today, this is going to be a beauty, I reckon. The wilderness train ride from Queenstown in Tasmania through some beautiful country. So really looking forward to it. It's an old steam train. So kick back and hope you enjoy it. Really looking forward to this. I'm doing the wilderness train ride later this morning, which is going to be super cool, I reckon. This is just part of the display they have here. I'm not sure whether that is going to be where we're headed through there. I believe it is an old steam train they're running. They don't run those unless they have unless they're in for service. Look at that, what a great picture, what a beautiful bridge. Fantastic picture. Alright, so yeah, well, we're not going on one of those today, fortunately. But that's what that's what we're heading through. Very nice. There you go. Alright, so this is got to get a bit of food in the interim, and this is where we depart from. Cafe in here. This is Queenstown Station, as you can see. And that's the locomotive right there. Carriage 20. This is this one.
So you're just in these two here. There should be plenty of room underneath your chair.
Seat 32.
Hook above your head and coats and hats.
Very cool. Beautiful. So here we are at Lynchford Station. It's a fairly quick trip. 30-35 minutes. And now we're going to stop here for about 40. Wasn't quite going through the wilderness area there, but all the photos depict anyway, so we'll see. Now this is discoloured because of the tailings and all the rot that's coming out, or has come out of the mines over the years. A bit of a shame, but it's stopped and will eventually, this water hopefully will return to some sort of normality.
One smooth movement, we do what we call the dip and roll. In and out. See how all the big rocks have rolled off the top? We want that to happen. But each time you do that, pull your gravel back at your ridges to see if you've got gold there.
This is your opportunity to pan for gold. Well, there you go, the fellow that was standing next to me found a nice little piece. Well done. All happened so quick, so I was too busy watching him, getting excited for him. Very cool. This is just could have gone in there once, who knows. They had water dripping into that panning area, so I thought I'd come up and have a look how this all operates, and look at this. They cheated. They're running it through this little bit of poly pipe. And there, no doubt there's a little tap down in here. Anyway, that's how it used to work. Interesting.
Queenstown,
there you go. Not quite what I was expecting. I don't know where that train goes elsewhere, but it is what it is. Good way to spend a couple of hours. $45 it costs for an adult, or if you were fortunate enough to be a senior, you get a 10% discount. Hope you enjoyed the video, and show you a bit more around Queenstown at some point. Thanks for watching, take care of yourselves, and remember, it's nice to be important, but it's important to be nice.